Good morning, students. We are beginning with the second lesson of history, work of sense. Why sense were needed? If you think, see that most of the times, if you are nice to others, they are nice to you. If you are kind to others, they are kind to you. If you are polite and helpful, people will speak properly with you. They will help you. As a student, if you are polite with others, helpful with others, you'll have more friends. They will help you, they will speak properly with you. And this is how we all should be with each other. We should be polite, we should be helpful, we should speak properly with each other. And we should think of the people around us. Don't be a selfish-minded people. You should think like all are, as we go for pledge in morning, that India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. We should think same like that, all are my brothers. And be good to them. Whoever is around you, whoever is near you, you should be good to them. Never think you are better than others. You should think all are better, all are like me. Never to treat anyone badly. If you all will behave in such a way, you'll never find there will be any conflict, there will be any fight among ourselves. Life will become peaceful. All will enjoy a good life. And this is something that everyone should know. But it is not sometime, it is every time. People forget the teaching of sense. People forget these things, what things are taught by the sense. How to be polite, how to be helpful, how to be good with each other. They forget. And they behave badly with each other. They fight among each other. Many times we find people get upset by these things. They do a bad thing and then later on they get upset. Same with students. They fight in school, and when they go back to their house, they feel upset. Even when the punishment is given by the teachers for not doing homework, students feel bad, they feel upset. But later on, when they go back home, they feel, why I have not done homework? Why? What was the reason? This reason they should find. Then all the things, all the functioning of school, all the syllabus will run in time. And whenever something goes wrong, whenever you goes wrong, it is a teacher, it is someone who tells you the right thing, who tells us how to behave. And this we are going to study in this chapter, that is work of sense. Very important role played by sons to help Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to establish Hindavi Swaraj. That we are going to learn in this lesson. Now this a tradition of sons, it started in Maharashtra from Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Sokha Mela. And later on it continued till now. There are many sons included later on. This tradition, which started by Sant Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Sokha Mela, it is continued till now. We can find lot of sons. They are working, they are giving the messages to the people how to behave, how to give their service, about equality, about brotherhood, about charity. There are many virtues taught by these sons to the people. And their work, what work each sant did, what message they gave to the people, that we are going to study in next online lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.